Hi friends, welcome to my channel Lotus Geek. Today we're gonna fix an issue. You got an error while typing a command bootrec access is denied. So let's go ahead and proceed. Here I'll go ahead and type a command bootrec space slash fix boot. You can see I got an error access is denied. So let's go ahead and fix this issue. In this video, we will talk about two methods. The first method works for those operating system which has got a UEFI BIOS, and second method work for those who has an MBR BIOS. So for those who are using UEFI system, here we'll go ahead and proceed. Type here disk part. Now type list disk and hit the enter button. You need to hit the enter button after each command. Now select your disk. At my end there is only one disk, but at your end if you have more than one disk, select the disk in which your operating system is installed. Type here select disk 0 because my operating system is installed in disk 0. Now type here list volume. Now all the volumes are present in front of you. Here you need to choose the volume where your Windows is installed. As you can see, my Windows or by default the operating system is installed in C drive, which is volume 2. So type here select volume 2 and then hit the enter button. Now once you have selected the volume, your next command is to assign a different letter other than C. So type here assign letter. Let's say we'll go ahead and assign letter V. Now hit the enter button. Once we have assigned the letter, type exit to exit the disk part. Now type another command md /efi /microsoft /boot. Now hit the enter button. Now type cd space /d space the letter of your volume which is just assigned, that is V. Now /efi /microsoft /boot/ and then hit the enter button. The path is not specified. It is because my system is MBR type, but at your end this process or this command will successfully processed. Once this command is processed, you need or go ahead just proceed with the command which is bootrec space /fix boot. Again it is showing access is denied. As I have already told you, my system is MBR type, so for my system the step 2 will work. But if you have a UEFI type system, type BIOS, you need to proceed with as it is these commands. Now for those which has an MBR BIOS, type the following command boot /sect space /nt60 space sys. Now type the command again which is bootrec space /fix boot and then hit the enter button. You can see the operation is completed successfully. So for those which has a BIOS of an MBR type, only two commands will work for you, and for the UEFI type you need to proceed all those above commands. I'll provide all these commands in the description below so that there won't be any kind of issue while typing these commands. As of now, that's it about it friends. If you like this tutorial, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share my channel with your friends. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.